viewers, welcome to Limitless Luminaries. Today we have someone very interesting on our podcast, Dr. Nadia Chaudhary from NADS Healthcare. Welcome, Nadia.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Very important question. You have practiced medicine over 16 years in UAE. Did you realize you weren't just meant to practice inside the system, but to build it? When did you realize this?
Um, it's a lifetime here in UAE. I'm born and raised here. So there wasn't I'd say, one particular dramatic moment where it just came to me that I should do this. It was more of a strategic thing throughout my experience of seeing so many patients, and every day was a learning that there was something missing. Every time that we met a patient, they have a bulk of tests that they've done, repeated. There was no planning behind it. There were no proper follow-ups being done. So there was a gap that I noticed, throughout my years of experience across the country in different hospitals that I've worked in. So then I was like, there's something missing. And that is what led to the birth of NATS, because I wanted to bring about that change to fix this gap in order to provide a connectivity to actual preventive healthcare being delivered and being brought to the patients. So that's how NADS came into formation.
We are very lucky to have your concept in UAE. Dubai already has world-class hospitals and specialists. What made you believe that there would still space to build something new?
No doubt, UAE has become the hub of one of the best medical facilities and services that one can imagine in the world today. And they're quite busy and they have their hands full with acute care, and with urgent crisis that arises in healthcare. But when you're talking about the day-to-day follow-up of a client, and when you're talking about preventive care, right, it requires more of a human attachment and the time that needs to be given. And when I wanted to bring this trend back, it was about filling that gap that I noticed in the healthcare system. And that is exactly what NADS does, where we're not trying to change the system. I mean, the hospitals are as mandatory as it's always been. But when we're delivering these services to the clients, it gives an added factor. It gives them the privilege. It gives them the privacy. It gives them the right and the easy accessibility to healthcare and their healthcare provider, right? Getting an appointment or seeing a doctor or a specialist or a consultant in a hospital. I mean, getting it's backed against time. But with NADS setup, with the home healthcare setup, we are taking the service to them. We're making it easy. We're adding a privilege factor to it and an ease.
I agree. It's a need of the time.
Yes.
For someone hearing about NADS for the first time, how do you define it clearly?
Well, it's a medical, it's a healthcare system led by the clinicians, where the owner itself is herself is a doctor. So everything is very strategically planned, and everything is the cross check and the balances are being maintained. Where no matter even if it's about a simple task about hiring somebody, or laying out the policies, or figuring out how the structure needs to be done or taken care of. So everything is cross-checked, medically sound, and added factor of the fact that it's a VIP service. It's being bought to you, and that is, like you said, it's the need of the era.
Definitely.
That's how one wants for their healthcare to be taken care of.
What makes NADS fundamentally different from other home healthcare providers?
Like I said,
Yes,
led by a doctor,
amazing.
and the vision comes from the heart. and every single challenge has added to the beauty of NADS. It's run by somebody who is from the soil. It's run by somebody who's from the similar fraternity. So it's not just a business for me. It's more about actually bringing about a change in medicine and the healthcare system. You know, any small change or addition that we can do, that is what leads the way forward to whatever people are preaching in the world today about prevention, about longevity. That is the true medicine, isn't it?
Agree 100%. Where in 2026 prevention and longevity are everywhere. Is this a hype or a real shift?
It is a real shift. And it was much awaited, and I believe it is the right time for the shift to happen, because that actually, like I said, is the tradition, is the true medicine. The concept that we're trying to bring about, where the doctor becomes a part of your family, a part of your life, who understands what you are and how your life is, and tailors the medicine and the healthcare system for you. That is what we need in the world today.
Right. Doctors are healers for sure. How do your medical training influence how you run your company?
Obviously, it certainly does. It adds, it gives that oomph factor to the entire business model itself, because that is one needs to know the business to run it well. And it's not business. This is life. This is health. This is your most precious asset that one has. There's a lot of humanity that's required. There's a lot of detailed medical understanding that is required. So I'm proud that I took it up as the entire passion of bringing about a change in the healthcare system came from somebody who is a doctor herself. So yes, nevertheless, it affects every single decision that you make.
Very interesting. What drives you personally beyond revenue and growth?
Oh, I love it. It's beyond words that I might say that when you get to see, I've personally noticed and witnessed the difference in seeing a patient or a client or a person in a clinic or a hospital setting and meeting them at their home, at their comfort, wherever they are. They can be themselves. When their privacy is taken care of, and they can express how they want to express. And for a change, they're the ones who need us, right? So we are following their schedule. They don't need to follow my schedule. So it's these little added factors that adds to the beauty of NADS concept.
What has been the most difficult part of building a healthcare brand in UAE?
I wouldn't say difficult, but yes, there have been fair amount of challenges that we had to face, which I'm very proud about. I mean, see, like I said, this is home to me, and how the government of UAE does is that no matter which sector this is not just about healthcare. So there are a lot of governing bodies that are involved. It's quite strict. It's you have to follow every single policy and how the accreditation systems work out here. But initially, yes, it felt a little, I wouldn't say difficult, but yes, overwhelming. But as in how now shifting from being a doctor to actually being somebody who's running a healthcare system, it made me realize that isn't that what makes you the best? Right? Isn't that the refinement process that's required? So I'm very proud to have for NADS to have UAE as its birthplace. Yes, so for now it's beautiful.
Where does NADS go from here?
NADS, it's a vision to become um, a family doctor with no borders and wings. To be there, because there's nothing that segregates us, and the best relationship that one has is humanity. So being there for our clients, no matter where they want us, being true to all the principles that NADS follows, especially for catering our clients and the patients and the people out there for whatever and whenever they need us. Focusing on preventive, focusing on the follow-ups, focusing on providing the best of the best care that we can at their doorstep. Making life beautiful and taking care of the most precious thing that one owns.
If you had one message for founders, executives, and decision makers listening today, what would it be?
No matter what is it that you do, live by your principles. Live by your strategies. Have proper aligned protocols. There are loads of industries, but when you're talking about healthcare, things should be a little different. That you have to follow it a certain way. You have to keep the integrity intact. Because, like I said, it is a field where we can't afford to miss something. We can't afford to make a mistake. So this is why don't wait for something to happen. Every single healthcare system needs to focus on prevention, and that will eventually take you to longevity.
I'm so happy to have you as our guest today. You have really opened my mind to prevention. Health is very, very precious asset to all of us. Thank you, Dr. Nandya,
Thank
for
you.
coming to our talk show. Thank you.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you so much.